Hi Year 1! So this week we've been learning about the sea and started with the hole in the bottom of the sea. The sea is really salty and salt can do some quite magical things. So we're going to do an experiment with salt, aren't we?
Yeah!
And we're going to see if we can make things that sink float. Let's see if we can do it. Here we go! Okay, you two ready?
Yeah.
Yeah? Off we go then. So put it in the first one, see what happens.
It sinks.
Oh, well and truly sinks, doesn't it? Right down to the bottom.
The dinosaur
Oh,
sinks.
dinosaur
And he's
sinks.
got some bubbles on him.
Okay, use the spoon to get him out then, Isaac.
Okay. Salt.
That's it, just put one in there. So that's 5 grams.
Yeah.
Give it a stir. And very gently, Isaac, put the dinosaur in and see what happens. So Year 1, by adding the salt to the liquid, we've made the liquid more dense. In fact, in D, we've made the liquid so dense with so much salt that it's become denser than the dinosaur. And then the dinosaur rises to the top because it becomes the least dense object. Can you see? The dinosaur's floating because of the density of the water. So we can make things float by changing the density of the water by adding salt. Isn't that magical? Isn't that clever? Have a go and see if you can do the experiment too. And then when you have done, have a go and see if you can record down what happened, just like we did. Have fun. Make sure you get wet. Take care. Bye-bye.